Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your brake light bulb on a 2004 Toyota Tundra. Now this of course is going to be the same or similar for 2000 to 2006 Tundras. Now I'm actually going to be upgrading the bulbs with LED this time. And these are the 7443, just white in color. This is replacing the brake light and running light bulb. You've got your signal, your backup light, and your brake light bulb, and I'm just gonna replace the brake light bulb with these ones that they've sent. Show you how easy it is just to take that out, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison once it gets dark. So really the only thing you need is a 10mm socket or wrench, and just drop your tailgate down and come over here to the side. There's two 10mm bolts. That's what those look like. Set those aside. You can kind of push it towards the back. There's these sockets in here that are holding this in place, or you can kind of just bump it. Sometimes you can just pull with your fingertips. You're pulling back though, not out this way. I got the top one popped. And there we go. So here's our brake light bulb. This is the one I'm going to change. Now anytime I work with light bulbs, automotive, I like to wear gloves as well, just to keep any oil and dirt or grease from getting on the bulb. Now this does look like it's kind of frosted over or kind of darker in color, but it is still working. So I'm just going to pop that one out and then open up our new bulbs. This truck in the Amazon parts finder also, it said 7443 or 3157. I did try the 3157 bulbs on this, and they don't fit. The reason is this little insert right here is too wide on the 3157. It's actually got two little shoulders that kick out, and that prevented it from being pushed all the way in. So this is the 7443, and there it looks like it's going all the way in now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on the lights just to verify that that's working before I plug it back in. So we know it works. I'm going to shut the light back off. They also say that this is not polarity sensitive. It should work even if you flip it. I'm going to go turn the lights on real quick. And so again, you can see whether it's one way or the other, these are not polarity specific. Like some LEDs, they only work if you have them a certain way. Just going to test the brake light as well, make sure that that's working. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm going to put this back in. Again, just feed it right back through that same opening if I can. There we go. I wasn't lining up this tab right here. So you just line up that tab, push it in, turn it about a quarter turn to the right clockwise, and then we're ready to put the housing back in. Just make sure you don't pinch any wires. And line up the two sockets on the side before you push it in, and then they'll just snap into place. And then we can get these bolts started on the side. And just make those nice and snug. Don't go too crazy with over torquing that. That's pretty much everything, but like I said, I'm going to wait until it gets dark and then we'll do a side-by-side comparison. The sun's down, but it's not completely dark, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights and maybe show you what they look like right now, and then maybe I'll try this again darker and see which one looks the best. So go ahead and turn on the lights. Go ahead and step on the brakes. Okay, turn on the lights. Okay, turn the lights off. Step on the brake. Brake off. Oh, you can see that right one's quite a bit brighter. Alright, step on the brakes. Turn the lights off. Just step on the brake. Yeah, you can see there's a delay in the other bulb, the old bulb on the left. I've changed out a few LEDs in some of my other cars. I haven't really done the side-by-side comparison like this, but that was pretty noticeable, the difference from stepping on the brake pedal when you can see the LED bulb light up, instantly, and then there's a little bit of a lag on the old bulb. As far as a safety aspect, I know it's just a split second, but the sooner you can let someone know that you're on the brakes, the better. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention is some cars, when you change the bulbs, you might get a hyper flash or like a little bit of an error code. I don't have those problems here with the Tundra. Everything's working just fine. But in the description of the product, the company does say if you contact them, they'll send you some resistors that you can just wire in place, and that will prevent the hyper flash and or error codes that you might get. So I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Of course, I'll put a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. This is, I think it's got 56 of these little LED chips all the way around, and of course up on the top as well. This is their latest design that they sent me for this review, and I got to tell you, it wasn't something I was really even thinking about doing, but now that I've got them in, I would definitely recommend this little upgrade. It's very inexpensive, easy to do, and the one thing that impressed me the most, besides being brighter, was just the speed of the bulb and the delay. I didn't realize that there was that much delay in the stock bulb, so definitely going to give this 2 thumbs up. Very good communication as well from the company. I am impressed, and I would recommend that you do pick some of these up. So thanks so much for watching, and good luck.